Hey there fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some pillows from Brooklinen. Brooklinen is a company inspired by wanting to just design good quality things, and when it comes to their pillows, they really keep it simple. There is no customization, there is no effort required on your behalf. You know, what you see is what you get, and so what you have are just three firmness variations, from soft to middle, to mid-firm, medium firm to firm. They describe their products as hotel luxury pillows. I did open these already just to have a look, and I really have to say that I do agree with that claim. I do feel like it's hotel quality. I could tell it's incredibly well made, but now we have to actually lay down on them and try it. One thing really worth noting that stood out to me about this particular brand, aside from their great logo, so good job on that, guys, they offer a 365-day trial. So if you really aren't sure, if you really don't think that you like these pillows, you have up to a year to return them. And they also offer a lifetime guarantee. Those types of things are not really very common. So that stood out to me, that impressed me, and I thought it was a pretty big deal. So it's something worth considering. You know, if you look at the price tag and you think, oh, I don't know, give it a second chance, because it seems like they really stand by their creations. Yeah, I would have to say this pillow is incredibly effective at imitating down. I feel like it's really not that easy to pull off. And I feel like they have the fluffiness part down here for their soft/plush version. Medium plush, medium firm really. Mid-plush is too weird, guys. Just keep it consistent with all of the industry standards, at least in this case. I know it's important to differentiate yourself, but mid-plush, just medium firm, nice and simple. Trust me. Yeah, this is alive. Wow, Brooklinen. I think I might fall asleep on your pillows today. overall, I have to say that I really like Brooklinen's pillows. You know, from something as simple as their logo, it seemed to be a company that really cares about the details, and I find that to be very true, you know, as well in their physical products. And these are down alternative pillows that I received. I received 3 different pillows to compare, and you know, I think that if you're the kind of person that just doesn't know what in the world you want, and you have the budget to support it, you know, just get all 3. See which work for you. I feel like, and this is just my personal opinion, I feel like if you sleep in anything besides a twin bed, like if you sleep in like a double or a queen or a king, like there should be 2 pillows, just like for sake of symmetry. So there you go. Like it's always good to have 2. You never know when you're gonna have a guest. You never know when you'll have a craving for something different. I feel like it's good to have different things for different moments in your life. As strange as that may be, to relate that to pillows, well, why not? I mean, they do serve quite the function, and we rely on them for when we are at our most vulnerable and most weak, when we're asleep and unconscious. So pillows do play a role in your life and in your health, and I like that Brooklinen has kept it simple. I find a lot of companies, they, you know, kind of like follow suit with the whole customization thing, but sometimes it's just too much. Sometimes there's too much uncertainty and freedom. You know, something like this is good for those that like don't know exactly what they want. They may have an idea and they just want to keep it simple, and they don't want to complicate it in any way whatsoever. So if you're that kind of person that just, you want to get exactly what you see, this is the company to go with. They describe their products as like hotel luxury level, and I do feel that they are, you know, like it does feel that way. And one of the most important things that I want to mention also is that their pillows, their down alternative pillows, really beautifully mimic down pillows. Doing that is not easy. Doing that is not in any way simple, but they do it wonderfully. Well, it's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more, there will be a written review linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time for more pillow reviews.